Okay. Hello, hello. All right. Hi, good evening, and welcome to my pitch. My name is Saeed Alhassan, a professor of chemical engineering at Khalifa University and founder of Manhat, a deep tech startup focusing on development of sustainable water production solutions. So, water is the most important element for life. Without it, life will not be available. If you want to know the importance of water, you have to review the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. 16 out of the 17 goals are actually linked to the availability of water for humanity. Without water, you cannot succeed in achieving the sustainable goals. Not only that, economically, if water solutions are not available and water challenges are not solved, the Committee for Economics of Water have issued a report stating that 8% of the global GDP will be lost by 2050 if you do not solve the water problem. That is equivalent to $16 trillion of lost economical values, which will impact life. So, the question is, what's in it for us? We focused on agricultural irrigation, and if you look at the amount of water we use for irrigation, it's about 7,000 cubic kilometers per year. Just put this in perspective, if you add up all the desalination capacity in the world, they produce 35 cubic kilometers of water per year. So desalination is not the solution for addressing food security and water availability. Not only desalination has low volume production, it also has two issues: CO2 emission and the production of brine, which is toxic waste that is sent back to the ocean. So, what is the solutions to this conundrum? Well, we have to revisit nature. If you look at the natural water cycle, it starts by solar radiation hitting the open water surface. The water will evaporate and goes to form the cloud. The clouds bring us rain. Evaporations happen every day. Rain depends on many different conditions. So, our technology is focused on capitalizing on the evaporation that happens every day. So here's our solution. We design devices that are modular, scalable. They produce water by putting these devices on open water surface. The water evaporates throughout the device and condenses naturally when the temperature goes down at night. This solution is scalable. It does not produce brine. It does not emit CO2. You can actually use it in any location. It uses any source of water, whether it's the ocean, river, wastewater. It can also purify water, even if you have nanoplastics, heavy metals, etc. Things that reverse osmosis cannot achieve. So with this technology, we are patented in more than 18 countries. We would like to generate revenue by selling the modular designs to our customers. Our customers are farmers. They will benefit by using this technology, which is easily integratable with their current farming practices, but also will allow them to sustain a healthy soil, because our water does not have any electrolyte and salt that can harm the soil with time. So we've been fortunate enough to gain a significant amount of tractions through our participation in organizations, in acceleration programs, and incubation programs. Not only that, we also raised $250,000 equity-free funds through grants and awards throughout the years. Not only that, we're actually really happy to announce that our solution has been selected 1 out of 20 solutions as one of the best practice awards that will be featured in the Japan Osaka 2025 Expo. This honor will allow us to communicate our solutions because we believe it's one of the solutions that will help us in addressing water scarcity globally. So we're trying to do this with a dedicated team of experts. Myself, I'm the technical guy, Vishnu, Ibrahim, and Srikant, and our associate members. We have more than 100 years of experience in managing not only finance, but also technologies and also communications. With that, we are raising $1 million for safe agreements. This will allow us to actually continue our pilot, which we are actually doing at the moment, not only to allow us to scale the production of our units, but to allow us to further do R&D to increase the production of water through our units. This will also help us in sales and marketing. And with this, I conclude, and I would like to ask you to think naturally and think Manhattan. With this, thank you so much for having me, and have a good day.